same boxes as you, John.
Yeah, well, you know, when you start to set a trend, you know, people follow me on Insta page.
Insta page.
Look happy, Ken. You're fucking hiding there. Move. You know, I must admit, yeah, Ken's fucking forming a smile a lot easier now.
Was that Facegram thing?
Pardon?
Is that Facegram?
Yeah, Facegram. People follow me.
Hey, John, have you seen this? No,
Oh, I like it. You've even got a map.
Yeah.
If you sort of
Yeah.
if you're going a bit further than the West
John.
Country, you
We're down here at the moment.
yeah, you could go everywhere, can't you?
Okay, we'll get back on our bikes and next stop is the Bacon Butty. So if I might indicate, and just ignore me. Most people do.
Oh look, the Atlantic Ocean is that? Is that, or is it the Bristol Channel still? Anyway, it's a sea of some sort. I'm gonna go over this square on. Fantastic. A lot of loose material here. I'm going to take the inside. Got a couple of scouts ahead of me. I'm going to take the inside here in case there's someone coming the other way. There's a chicken or cockerel in the road there. Well, not in the road, but in close proximity to the road. Go give us a cock-a-doodle-doo. Sharp one here. I've got a few, so I am going to go on the outside here. Still going to take it steady though. Oh, there we go. Got a bit of a fold going on. I'm observing the path that Steve took, which looked like it worked successfully. Oh yeah. Wonder if I'm going to be set down as a marker. I think all in the party are within view, so there's no need. Another cattle grid. That's scary. Bit of a corner cutting going on there.